Hi students, I wish you a very good morning and welcome back our online class Science 6th standard. Students, very soon you are going to appear the second unit test of this academic year. So before that we have to prepare, we have to do the revision. So according to your syllabus it will be third and fourth. So whatever the chapters are there included for that your second unit test we will do once revision. Okay. So today we are going to do the revision third chapter. Okay. So I have written that some objective question today and we will discuss. So let us see first of all what is that fill in the blank. Some questions I have written and some true false I have written and MCQ questions. So in this video today we are going to discuss about this object type questions. Okay. So let us start first of all fill in the blanks. The first question, read that carefully students. The method used to remove grains from their stalks is called dash. You know that students, how to remove that, what is that, crops or that grains, okay, from their stalks. That means it is attached with the stalks. How we have to detach it. Then there is one of the process by threshing. Yes, that is one of the process that is called as a threshing. You know that students, some people they will hammer or they will hit to that ground that crops, or by that buffalo or that bulls they will steps to that and they will remove that grains from their stalks. Okay. So this is the first answer. What is that students? So you can write this. First one is what is that? It is threshing. THRESHING. Threshing is one of the process by which we can remove the grains from their stalks. Second one, the process of allowing muddy butter to stand so that muddy settles at the bottom is called. Students, in muddy butter means that clay or that mud and we have to mix with that water, and how we separate that. Now if that will keep some times in a glass or in a jar or whatever maybe, whatever that containers, that you should leave some times, and you observe that after some times all that mods or that whatever that sediment, that it will be settled down of the bottom. Okay. So that is called as sedimentation. That process is called as, what is that students? Sedimentation. Okay. That means by that process, sedimentation process, muddy water can stand and we can separate or settle down on the bottom. Okay. Third one, the process by which vapor change into liquid on the cooling is called. You know, whenever that rain, how it is coming, after that whenever that in summer season or in that heavy sunlight, then after that sea water it will evaporate, or sea water, or river or a pond, that water will evaporate by the sunlight. Yes. So then after it will be in the space, and then after whenever will get condensation, that means whenever it will get that cool, then it will come back as a rain. Yes. So this is one of the process how it will come like liquid form, by the condensation. They will be mixed and by the cooling only. Okay. The process is called, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, condensation. ठीक है. By the condensation, that water vapor changes into liquid. Not only that, whenever we will get that cooling, then it will change to that liquid. That process is called as condensation. Okay. Next, fourth question, see, salt is obtained from the sea water by the process of salt. How we are getting? We are getting by the evaporation process. Okay. By the sunlight, that water will evaporate and remaining salt will be stay on the that vessel. Okay. So that process is called as evaporation. Okay. So evaporation is one of the process by which salt can obtain from the sea water. Next question, fifth question. Dash particles are lighter than the grains. The grains का साथ कौन रहता हो? Husk रहता. Husk हम कैसे निकालते? By the winnowing process or that we will do that and it will take out. So husk is lighter. Okay. Husk is lighter. Husk particles are lighter than the grains. Now you can see dash means cutting the crop from the field. How? What is that? From the field, whenever we are cutting and you are storing in that is called what? Harvesting. What you should say? हार्वेस्टिंग, ठीक है, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज हार्वेस्टिंग, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट्स विल गो फॉर दैट सेकंड ऑप्शंस एंड दैट इज जनरली ट्रू फॉल्स क्वेश्चंस, ओके। सो नाउ we'll observe that what is that true false questions. Now we have to find out that all the true false questions, okay. So look at the students here, we'll see that what is that true false questions here, look, and we can identify that what is that true false questions, okay. So first question you read carefully, a mixture. Second question, state whether the following statements are true or false. If it is true you write F, if it is false you write what is that F. Whenever it is true, T write, sorry, and whenever you write false, that you are finding that you should write F. First question, a mixture of sugar and water can be separated by hand picking. हमें hand picking कब करते हैं? जब the different sizes आते हैं, yes, and it should be solid substances, yes. But that is a mixture of sugar and water is a liquid, we cannot find out, so it is a false, ठीक है. Second question, sieving is a method used for separating components of mixture which are the different sizes. Yes, it is correct. So if the different sizes are there, we can separate that by the using the sieving methods. Okay, by the sieve, that is one wooden block is there, and that we are using, and there are small holes are there. That through that different same size of particles it will come out, and other particles it will stay. So different sizes होगा तो हमें निकाल सकते कैसे? By the sieving, it is true. और true can write or T write. During the sedimentation, lighter particles settle down, the forming sedimentation. The lighter particles settle down, so it is false statement. Yes. Next fourth question. Filtration is method used for the separation of a paneer. Yes, it is true, because by that whenever we will form that paneer, that it will be, we have to filter by cloth or by filter paper, filtration, and that is one of the method that is called as a filter, okay, filtration. Third option, students, third bit now we will discuss about that. Now second bit over it is. Now third bit multiple choice questions, students. So now we will see that here, read that questions, multiple choice questions MCQs. Choose the correct answer for each of the following. ये जो क्वेश्चन है उसका 4 ऑप्शन है, उससे तुम निकालना है क्या है करेक्ट आंसर. Impurities present in water can be separated by, if impurities are there, we can by the sieving, by the filtration, by the condensation, by the winnowing. So by sieving not possible, different sizes must be taken, and filtration we can do, because if there some impurities are mixing with that water, by the filtration we can take that, okay, we can separate. Second question, the method used for the removing pulp from the fresh fruit juice. This is also whenever juice we are separating that some seeds or some what is that wood pulp, pulp of the fresh, that we are using क्या है वो जो filter we are using or filtration that we can use. So that is also filtration. Third question, a mixture of sand and water can be separated by using hand picking, sieving, threshing, and sedimentation. So this is sedimentation, because sieving we cannot do, by hand we cannot do, and by threshing also we don't know. So this is the answer is what is that? Sedimentation. That means if you will allow to them settle down, then we can find out. Second question is next question, students. Last question is you can see in summer the pond it dries off by the process of evaporation, and B decantation, C condensation, D sedimentation. So in summer पे pond क्यों dry होता? Because of sunlight. So by the sunlight that water will be evaporated. So that process is called as evaporation. Okay students, I hope you have understand about that third chapters and separation of substances, how that, and there are different methods are there. You have to read thoroughly, and the subjective questions that are these are the objective questions. Thoroughly you have the textbook also you have to read. Okay students, I hope you have well prepared and you have to go for a peer exam. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.